my loves, and welcome to another day in China. I look ridiculous this morning. I lined my lips and the lip liner was way too pink. I did it in the bathroom and just put lip gloss on. Now I look like I've gotten massive lip glitter. I'm heading out the door now. I'm gonna go on a little adventure. I found on my map, not my Google map, you can't use Google out here, on my iPhone maps, that there is a Zara around here. Go figure that I'd find a Zara and H&M. So I'm gonna go and, well, I've already been to H&M, but there's a Zara very close. So I'm gonna go locate that and spend the day kind of like looking around. I look ridiculous right now. Like I look like bees have stung my mouth. Bring you around, go for little walkies and see what we find in our travels. I mean, that's what this is all about. I'm kind of hungry now, so I think I might go next door to my favorite little restaurant and get my banana pancakes to go and eat them while I'm walking around the street, because it's the kind of girl that I am. So outfit is ready. Please ignore the fact it looks like a bomb went off in here. These are just all towels, and this floor gets ridiculously like wet, like really wet after you have a shower. There's a little plain t-shirt and this little dress that I got in, I'd like to say H&M, and then these little sandals from Penny. So that's the outfit of the day, and my little backpack. I don't know what I'd honestly do without that backpack. It's been a lifesaver to me since I arrived in Vietnam and China. It's just so handy. I can put everything in it, and I have my new like €5 sunglasses from that shop that I went to the other day. I love them. So off we go on our adventures. So I'm just leaving Starbucks and I got like a mango tea. I've never had this before. I have my little maps on so I can find the Zara, because I know I'll have an issue with it. It says it's an hour and 10 minutes, but I can definitely make that in less time. I'm so excited to try this. It's like 32 degrees here in Guangzhou. This tea is bloody magnificent. It's really fresh. It tastes like an ice pop. Yeah, it's really delicious. I'm trying to hold my phone underneath my arm because I've no pockets. So vlogging today is going to be pretty tricky because I'm trying to figure out where I'm going as well. I'm absolutely sweltering. I feel like a bikini would be the only choice of clothing to wear today. It's super hot, and especially with the bag on my back, it's making the whole situation just crazy. Ugh, it's really warm. I'm not complaining because I love the heat. And I'm really starting to get into Guangzhou. Yesterday I really was enjoying it here, and today I'm really loving it, and I actually quite like the city. We're moving on to Yiwu tomorrow, no, Wednesday. Today's Monday. And then we're going to Beijing. Beijing's going to be a little bit more like touristy, like looking at the Great Wall and kind of doing stuff like that. Whereas Guangzhou was much more of like a work thing. I'm just loving it. I really like Guangzhou, and I'm surprised that I like it as much as I did, because I thought when I come traveling, like cities would be the last thing I'd want to see, but I actually quite enjoy it. And if I didn't mention yesterday, Guangzhou is actually the LA of China. So we found like these really oh, something smells nice. Oh, every time I walk by a bakery I'm like, I'm so hungry. The bakeries here are amazing, but the products are really unusual and you never really know what you're getting, but the food is always really nice. Oh my god, it's actually boiling right now. Okay, I just have to be careful crossing the road. I think it's best if I just stop vlogging right now, because I'll end up injuring myself or someone else. So I'm just walking along this little back street, and I just found like these really cute little houses. It's so random. There's like little shops and stuff, and then there's like really like wealthy looking big doors, and it's just really unusual. Like, I don't even know how I found my way here. Look at that little back street there, it's so cute. Like, the buildings are quite unusual. Like, I'm definitely in the depths of China here. There's like a little restaurant up there. It's just quite nice. And the weather is so lovely today. It's still overcast, because it always will be because of the smog. I love the little uniforms on the kids out here, they're so cute. They just have these little random shops, clothes shops, like it's just, and like a really little random street, like tiny little street, and it has like one of the biggest banks in it, and it's like little tiny little shops, and it's just so... Maybe I'm just so uncultured, but I just feel like when I'm, you know, like when you're in town and stuff, like always like on the main streets they'd have like the big banks, and then they'd have like the big department stores, and they'd have the big, you know, shops, and then like the little shops would be like for like the smaller little alleyways. But it's just not like that here at all. Like every single street and every single nook and cranny has something interesting in it, and like different types of shops. It's just really, really fun. I don't know, I'm just enjoying my time here. Now look, I found like a little metropolis. This is so random. Like we're in like a little busy area of the city. It's so bizarre to me, just out of nowhere. I hope I'm going right. I'm trying to like find or navigate my way around, and I'm possibly doing a hames of it. Like look at this. This is like a food store, grocery shop, and all the alcohol in it and stuff. It's just so weird, so random. I keep saying weird, I don't mean to say weird, like I'm just really uncultured, obviously. Trust me to find L'Oreal counters. I actually need new moisturizer. Wouldn't be a bad idea. Guess the makeup's all the same here, obviously. All the same products from Maybelline. I might get a new lipstick, why not? Yep, so like a little department store, and then selling like Burberry and stuff, and then like right beside it they have like a little outdoor shoe market. It makes no sense, but okay, let's just go with it. To be honest, I'm loving the randomness of it all. I just think it's really cool. Okay, there's a random McDonald's right there. It's just really weird. I kind of actually want McDonald's right now. Like I want an ice cream or something. Maybe I'll wait till I get to my next one, because I'll just keep moving with this. Or else it'll take me 10 years to get to Zara. I'm looking for a pharmacy actually. I need to pick up a few like bits and bobs, obviously, pharmacy wise. Like I have no more painkillers and stuff like that left, so I just have to go and, you know, have a look. Do you know what's really random actually? Well, you guys might think this is not random. Oh, hang on, I have to find my location. Yeah, random thing. I haven't had one headache since I got like out on holidays. Like not one. I haven't had so much as a twinge or a pain in my head. It's been bizarre. Most like pains are kind of like muscular pains, or like any inflammation, like bites and stuff. I actually have had a few little random little nicks from little bugs, which has been very annoying. And then obviously I keep itching them and pick at them, and then it just all hell breaks loose. So that's not cool, don't do that. Okay, hang on, where am I now? I have no idea. Oh, trying to locate myself around here. Like I'm just lost. I'll show you where I am. I'm lost here. So back there was like little metropolis city. There's obviously the metro, and here I am, lost. I don't know what that is up there. That can't be the metro line. Oh no, it's not, it's a bridge. Like there's a bus or a truck going over it. Really cool. Yeah, I haven't been to this part of the city. The city is not, like it's just spread out. There's no like central, and I just noticed that really quickly. So I think my maps are telling me to go down that way. So that's where I'm gonna go. Some sort of city centre. The streets are massive. They're like 5 lanes wide on both sides. That's an exaggeration actually. They're 4 lanes wide. But this is like, I don't know, like the metropolitan of the city I've managed to find. Like I think this is what I would consider the centre of the city. There's a lot going on here, a lot of hustle and bustle, fabulous looking buildings. It's unbelievable. And then just, actually you can see their speed cameras going off over there. That's really random. Yeah, it's really wide streets. It looks amazing here. Quite like this end of town, this neck of the woods. I'm liking it. And I am 7 minutes away from Zara, so there we go. I think I'm gonna get a taxi back because I walked for well over an hour and 10 minutes. Just, yeah, I don't know, I've done like 5 miles I think, or 4.5 miles anyway. So I think I'm definitely gonna get a taxi back. I'm just a bit tired after that big walk. I managed to find a pharmacy. Trying to explain what I needed was like Bridget Jones in the second movie trying to explain that she needed a pregnancy test. I was like pointing to my head and I was like, pain, pain. It was very confusing. And then I realized that all of the stands have names on them like in English, so I eventually found what I was looking for, and the poor girl was just kind of like, what? And then she called over like the main pharmacist, and the main pharmacist figured out what I was looking for, and then I realized that all of the stands had names on them in English. So that was a bit mortifying. Definitely felt like Bridget Jones. So here we go, look at these buildings. They're absolutely massive. So really big buildings. It's absolutely amazing. I can see why they call it the LA of China. It's pretty cool. Like, I haven't been to Beijing yet. This place is pretty cool. I managed to find the Brown Thomas or Debenhams of China. Oh my god, it's just rows and rows and rows of products, and this place smells amazing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Trust me to find this in China. Of course, there's makeup forever. Whoops. What else would Aisling find in China? McDonald's, of course. I keep running into them. It's like, come eat my McDonald's in China. This is super cool. I'm like right in the middle. Super smack bag in the middle of all the... It's pretty awesome. That's all I gotta say. I'm loving it right now. This area is known as the Plaza. So I finally made it to the Plaza to go shopping. So cute. The little flowers. Okay, so I made it to the Park Central. That's what this is called. Park Central. And this is where all the shops are. Right in there. So I'm gonna go in. Look at this water feature. It's making an awful lot of noise there. So pretty. And like, this is the city here behind it, and I'm just so happy I found the center. It's super pretty here. My battery's flashing at me, so it's gonna die, but I'll catch you guys up later on anyway, because it's just a city like any other, I'm sure. But I just think it looks cool. There's a massive Apple store. This is almost like Dundrum, like the way that you kind of have the center, like all the shops are like surrounding it. You kind of have to maneuver your way around them. Everybody has those teeny tiny dogs over here. They're so cute, aren't they? Okay, I think I'm done in the town. I picked up some stuff from Zara and H&M, and I am so hungry now, so I'm gonna try and get something to eat. And I need a shower so badly. I feel real sticky and dirty. Look at this, it's really cool. They have like an Eiffel Tower type thing here. And there's a McDonald's. I think I'm gonna run in there and get a drink, I think, or something to snack on.